This week I was also gifted this humidifier by Kelopa in exchange for an honest review. So I thought I'll check it out. This has a capacity of 9 liters of water tank, and it runs up to 36 hours, which is awesome. My previous one only had 4 liters and it was annoying to keep refilling the tank for sure. So this is really nice and it works. This came pretty much built in. I only had to screw the base and then add water. The company has given me 10% coupon code for you guys if you wanna check them out and try them out for yourselves. You can preset the humidity level. Here I've chosen 65, and it will keep running until it reaches 65 and it will maintain it that way, which is a really good feature. It also has 3 speed levels. 3 is the highest right here, and it is blasting very nicely in my opinion. On top, you can also adjust and angle the nozzle to point it to any direction you need it to. Another cool feature right there. This is a UV button that helps sterilizes the water before it blows up in the air, so you'll get clean water vapor.